We started really taking a look at our architecture, and at that time we had a number of point-to-point integrations, and it's actually very common. As companies are growing, that's sort of how they establish their integration patterns between their systems is point to point, and you might have different departments using it. But as you come in and you try and look at it as an overall sort of architecture of how you're integrating your core data across a number of systems or platforms, we found that in order to be much more scalable and stable, we wanted to move to more of an API based, event driven architecture. And thankfully, the tooling we use Workato, of course. The tooling allowed us to not only support where we were, but it also really allowed us to support where we wanted to go, and to provide that flexibility and that scalability that we needed with the tool. One of the advantages is as we begin to focus on integration, not just as a kind of a point to point concept, but we actually focus our integrations on services, and the services actually can be consumed as part of an end to end business event or business process that we have, or it can actually be consumed in our platform. Or that serves our customers. And so, one of the things that we wanted to do earlier this year is, the ability for businesses to be able to manage their travel really shouldn't just be something that mid-market and enterprise companies can do. And we really wanted to focus on sort of our small to medium-sized business segment or our growth segment. And our ability to leverage what we had done with some of our integrations and our services allowed us to expose capabilities very quickly to our customers via our product to sign up themselves and onboard themselves onto our platform in virtually a frictionless experience for our customers, which we couldn't have done had we not developed those capabilities in the APIs that we were able to then kind of expose as a service that could be consumed by our platform. It allowed us to really be nimble and agile to respond to the business needs and focus on business value as quickly as possible. Since we actually did that, we've had a thousand customers come. We've had 50% growth in the amount of customers that have come on board as a result of being able to move fast and offer that to our customers. I think one of the things I love most about kind of using a product like Workato is, you're all about automation and scalability and enabling your customers to use your products. And, it ties in very well with what we're trying to do at TripActions, which is, we want our customers to use our products, to enjoy using our products, to allow them to be as efficient as possible in everything they do. So there's a nice synergy there, I think, between the two companies.